Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Everyday English Excellence. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more educational content. Today, we're going to dive into the versatile verb has and how it's used in English. In this video, we'll go through a series of common sentences. I'll say each sentence, then there will be a pause. During the pause, I want you to repeat the sentence exactly as I said it. Try to mimic the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, let's get started and remember to repeat after me. My sister has a beautiful singing voice. My sister has a beautiful singing voice. Their house has a spacious backyard. Their house has a spacious backyard. The car has a flat tire. The car has a flat tire. His phone has a cracked screen. His phone has a cracked screen. Our school has a talented soccer team. Our school has a talented soccer team. The movie has a star-studded cast. The movie has a star-studded cast. Her jewelry box has precious gems. Her jewelry box has precious gems. Their vacation has been cancelled. Their vacation has been cancelled. My grandmother has a green thumb. My grandmother has a green thumb. His apartment has a stunning view. His apartment has a stunning view. Our cat has a mischievous streak. Our cat has a mischievous streak. His backpack has a broken zipper. His backpack has a broken zipper. The project has tight deadlines. The project has tight deadlines. Her suitcase has a broken handle. Her suitcase has a broken handle. Their marriage has lasted 50 years. Their marriage has lasted 50 years. My wallet has been misplaced. My wallet has been misplaced. The beach has golden sands. The beach has golden sands. My dog has a wagging tail. My dog has a wagging tail. The book has an intriguing storyline. The book has an intriguing storyline. His car has a loud engine. His car has a loud engine. Our house has a cozy fireplace. Our house has a cozy fireplace. The children have a playful spirit. The children have a playful spirit. Our neighborhood has friendly residents. Our neighborhood has friendly residents. Her garden has vibrant flowers. Her garden has vibrant flowers. The movie has an unexpected twist. The movie has an unexpected twist. Their restaurant has delicious food. Their restaurant has delicious food. The school has strict rules. The school has strict rules. Your phone has a cracked screen. Your phone has a cracked screen. The cat has a fluffy coat. The cat has a fluffy coat. His bike has 2 flat tires. His bike has 2 flat tires. The baby has a contagious laugh. The baby has a contagious laugh. Their team has won the championship. Their team has won the championship. Our town has a bustling market. Our town has a bustling market. The laptop has a low battery. The laptop has a low battery. Her laptop has a broken keyboard. Her laptop has a broken keyboard. The mountain has a breathtaking view. The mountain has a breathtaking view. The museum has fascinating exhibits. The museum has fascinating exhibits. The company has a diverse workforce. The company has a diverse workforce. My friend has a unique talent. My friend has a unique talent. The song has meaningful lyrics. The song has meaningful lyrics. His garden has ripe tomatoes. His garden has ripe tomatoes. Our vacation has been postponed. Our vacation has been postponed. Their project has tight deadlines. Their project has tight deadlines. Her painting has vibrant colors. Her painting has vibrant colors. Their dog has a playful demeanor. Their dog has a playful demeanor. The party has lively music. The party has lively music. Her dress has intricate embroidery. Her dress has intricate embroidery. His job has long hours. His job has long hours. Our garden has fresh vegetables. Our garden has fresh vegetables. The restaurant has outdoor seating. The restaurant has outdoor seating. Great job, everyone. Remember, the key to mastering English is consistent practice. Try to listen to this video daily to improve your English skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy learning.